How to sign up your Facebook account using Facebook Lite. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily sign up your Facebook account using your Facebook Lite. So first thing what you can do is simply head over to your Facebook Lite application and just click on this create new account from over here, and you will be getting this screen. Just click on get started and just enter your first name and as well as last name. So once you enter your first name and last name, simply select your date of birth and just click on next. Select your gender, and just like that you will have to enter your phone number or your Gmail address. And then after that you simply have to create a strong password once you enter your phone number or Gmail. So let me just do this, and then just click on next from over here. And you can either save your login details so that you don't have to keep logging in next time. So simply click on I agree from over here, and just like that you'll have to register for your phone number to confirm your mobile number that it belongs to you. So you simply have to select one of these three options over. So let me just select one of this. So click on continue. As you can see, it's sending me the 5-digit code via WhatsApp. So let me just copy it, the confirmation code from over here, and simply paste it over here and click on next. So then after you can just add a profile picture for now, or you can simply skip it and skip everything for now. And just like that you will have successfully created your Facebook account using Facebook Lite. So that is it for today guys. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.